very important thing. Everything in this yard is beautiful and gorgeous. Horses and dragonflies, birds and bees, everything in this world. This is my concert video. And my name is really Gracie. And I live in town. No, I live in Pittsburgh, really. And I have a cat named Parker. I will show you quick. I'm here, Parker. Come here. This is my cat, which is totally my sister's cat. And she's a really good cat. She just likes scratching somebody a lot, kind of. And she's a sweet cat. Let me go put her up real quick. Yeah. So, here's my concentration. I have dogs inside right now. And I'm a really good video. There's birds all up in the sky. It's a very good place. Birds flying all by yourself with 2 in a row. Dragonflies keep flying with birds. It doesn't matter whatever case. All I am is a video animal. I take videos for animals. I have dogs. There's elephants and giraffes and all that kind of stuff. There's tigers and lions, penguins, chickens. There's everything in this kind of world. I am Animal Gracie. I live in Pittsburgh. I will move into Fort Scott, which I don't know when, on the June flight. I don't know. Well, my name is Gracie Animal. And I have a cotonator, which my dad's over there. He's actually back there mowing, but you don't even hear him. Hold on for a second. Dad, on my video I say you're mowing on the back. Can you pretend like you're mowing? No, can you pretend like you're mowing at the backyard, but you're still right here? Will you please be quiet and say you're at the backyard?
Yep, I'm in the backyard mowing.
Great. Good. Well, my dad is mowing at the backyard. Well, you can't really hear him because he's way in that forest, which kind of. And over there is where the horses are, which you can't really see them because the camera's not being that way. But I'm the best animal video in the whole world, entire world. My name is Gracie Dr. Animal. But my real name is actually Gracie Animal. By the way, up in my house, that's not my house. That is a barn. Right there is my house in front of me. You just can't see it because I faced it to me. But still, I am the Animal Gracie. And I take good care of animals sometimes. And I work with my mom sometimes. I help her very much, but not that much. But still, I am Gracie Animal. I can have shows. I can watch shows and TVs and all that stuff. But really, I watch Garfield and Flintstone. But I have learned about fish and bugs and cats and dogs and tigers and cheetahs and elephants and all that kind of animals, which is penguins, lions, and horses, and chickens, and chicks, and what was that thing called? Dogs, and cats, and everybody got on it. They were safe, except for the bad, really people, like bad guys. But my dad's totally watching me out there. Can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no. I'm not talking to you, Dad. Stop pushing this. You ruined my